boy here, 80. Right? We always hit up. We always getting people for you guys. We always want to make you guys happy. We always here with, beautiful women out here. Did you see how beautiful she is? And did you see the daughter right here? Okay, did you see how the daughter looks? And did you see how the mother looks? Guys, please, please, when you are here, when you are out there, looking, watching, please close your eyes. Don't take her away. She's already taken already. Okay, coming back here on Better Studio. Keep on following us, and we love you. Okay, here, do you know this lady?
Yeah, I know the lady.
What is her name?
She's a DJ. DJ's in here.
Sure. Sure, look at her nicely. Sure.
I'm telling you.
Okay, what is it do you like about her?
Her charisma, her personality. She's very calm.
Yo.
A very calm person indeed.
Yo, guys, did you hear the English that she used? Her charismatic. Is it charismatic or what did you call it?
Charisma.
Okay, charisma.
Yeah.
Not Christmas, guys, because I mistakenly say Christmas, guys. So not Christmas. Okay, coming back to the next person. Where is this?
No.
You don't know? Are you sure? Check it nicely.
No.
You sure?
Definitely not. Is she from SA?
Yeah, she's from here. Can't she should look like me, hey?
No.
Okay. Coming back here. Is it?
DJ Kabza. Kabza the small something, yeah.
Kabza the small, I don't know. Let me check
I'm a piano guy.
Oh, I'm a piano guy. Oh, okay, let me see. Okay, let's just leave it that way. She said I'm a piano guy. Me now, I don't know him. Okay, so what do you like about him?
Honestly, his music is nice. Okay. I've never heard him speak.
Okay.
So I don't know.
Okay, you don't know. Okay. She says she haven't heard him speak and she doesn't know. Okay, let's leave it that way. Okay, coming back to the sexy man.
So this one is bullshit as a.
You sure? This is like no. This is someone like her, but not her. Hey?
No, it's her.
Sure.
It's bullshit.
Serious?
Yes.
Okay.
I know her.
Okay, what do you like about her though?
Her body, her style. She's very beautiful.
Sure. Okay, let's leave it that way. Okay, coming back.
Oh, this one top of.
What is that? She said top of. Okay.
DJ Tira.
From where?
Durban.
Okay, they said Durban. I don't even know which road they even to Durban.
You don't know KZN?
KZN?
Yes.
Okay, I know KZN, but then I was. Okay, let's just leave it that way. Okay, what do you like about him?
Man, he's a good person. Yeah, he's always been there. I grew up knowing him, so there's nothing much to say.
So you only
him.
like about him being a good person?
Yes, he is. He does even like treats and stuff.
Okay.
You see this thing.
Okay, that's good. Okay, can we just leave it that way? Then we take it from another day. Okay, coming back to.
Nice to see.
Okay, come this way. Yes.
Nice to see.
Okay, let's see.
It is.
Sure.
It is.
This guy.
It is.
Okay, what do you like about?
His rap, like his music.
Okay, what does it talk about?
A lot of things about life, relationships, everything.
So you like his music? That's perfect. We take it. And then this guy. Pull up. She's like,
I don't know this guy.
Oh no, look at him nicely. She's like, look at him. Yes.
Is he?
Look
He
at
looks
him.
like it's Kotani.
Yeah, it's Scotland. Let me look at him again. Oh, guys, she said he looked like Scotland. Let me look at him. Okay, look at him. Ne? Yeah. Okay, sure. Okay. You don't know him, right? Okay, it's fine. It's fine. You can go. Let me pick up with that. Okay, it's fine. Okay, now coming back to the sexy man.
Obviously, the fancy queen Nketsi.
Yes, what do you like about her?
I'm not
familiar with her.
Oh.
What is her name?
Faith Nketsi.
Okay. Faith.
She has a reality show called Her Faith.
What do you like about her?
Her style, her body.
Her body?
Mom.
It's hot. But it's not hot like that. Look at it. Pull up. No, Kate is not hot like you. No, give me 360 there. Just give me 360. Come on.
No.
Give me 360. Come on. Okay, let's go together. Let's go. Yes, guys. Okay. Now we're coming back. Okay, you like her body? Okay.
Yeah, and her personality. She's
take
calm.
one part in her body that you like so much.
Obviously, the waist.
The waist. Okay. Wait.
Like another waist like that. Oh my God.
Wait, okay. As a man, are you trying to tell me that when I'm going for a lady, I should look at the waist? Show me. Okay, wait. Okay, let me just get it.
Honestly, the body counts.
Okay. What am I looking for in the waist, though? Because mostly other men say that they're looking for the heart, and then now you're telling me that I should go for the waist.
No, listen.
What am I going to look for? Yeah.
Mamela, you see the waist?
Yes.
You can be able to bamba right.
No, hold me. No, come. Look at me. No, don't be scared. Hold me. Show me. Let me see. Yeah.
No.
How do you do it?
Listen, like everything that she wears, like she looks super nice.
No. I'm not asking about her.
Layers.
I'm not asking about her. I'm saying you're now advising me right now, as a man right now, I should go with a lady that,
No.
she's curvy.
Most men like me not looking for a body.
Yeah.
They will say the heart, but you never know the heart. Do you know a person?
No, but then when you're close with someone, though, you're going to ask them because you're going to know that person, isn't it?
No, I don't believe in that.
Sure, though.
I don't.
And I'm very okay. One more question, hey. I'm very sure you like hanging out, right? And I'm very sure you like chilling out, hey. Okay, now we're coming back right now. Where do you like chilling? Jojo.
Yeah, but most of the time I'm with my kids.
Okay, why do you like Jojo?
It's very chill. The vibe is nice.
The vibe. Let's say Jojo is very nice. So if you're watching us, just try to also support Jojo as well. But then don't forget us as well as Better Studio. We're always hitting. We're always getting people. We're always here outside here to make you happy right there, eh? And you always know that we love you right there. Okay, coming back right here, right? One more question right here. I'm very sure you have a boyfriend. I'm very sure you have a husband. When you look at that guy nicely, I'm not saying look at me. When I say no, we get you right there. Okay, when I say to you, you look at that guy and give me that one thing that you like about this guy, what will you say to me? What is one thing that you like about the man?
My man is hard, but anyways, I love. My man is hard.
Whoa, guys, she said, okay, wait, say it again. Come, pull up to me. What do you say again?
My man is so hot.
Yes.
Like he's the bomb.
Yeah.
I don't see any other guy here besides him.
No. Okay, pull up. Let me see myself. Wait. Is it hot like me now? Yeah, okay, it's not hot like me. Guys, let's say I'm hot, hey? Yeah, okay.
He is hot.
Okay, so
but one thing I love about him, like, it's his love language. Like,
okay.
it's very loving.
Okay, guys, so my advice right there, out there, right? Just try to get someone who is going to love you. Try to get someone who is going to care so much about you. And we're here, we love you as well as Better Studio. We hit it up and we move into the next person. We move into the next guest that we're going to get for you. For you to also get to also follow us and get one more thing. We are looking for people who are going to be able to give us some names of celebrities that we're going to show them their pictures as well. And we are here to also get and here let me just hit it up and then we wrap it up. And we are here looking for people for celebrity guests. We show you a picture, you show us, and then we look at the picture nicely, and then you tell us the name of the celebrity. Guys, if you do know the celebrity, if you don't know, we hit up, we go, and we say here, we are here with this beautiful lady here as our guests. And she's here because she's happy, you can see. So please, wherever you are, please look for us, and you always know that. We're not going to make you sad. We're always going to put a smile on your face. We're always going to make you happy. And we're here, we say we love you. Shut up!